Welcome to reneenergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Today, we're exploring exciting new projects that are paving the way for a sustainable future. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to reneenergy.com. In today's episode, we explore how ZeroAvia, HyPoint, and ABB are transforming the future of transportation with cutting-edge fuel cell technology. From the skies to the seas, join us on a journey into a cleaner, greener future. ZeroAvia, pioneering hydrogen-powered aviation. ZeroAvia stands at the forefront of aviation's green revolution, making significant strides in hydrogen fuel cell technology. Their vision transcends traditional aviation norms, pivoting towards a sustainable future where flights are powered not by conventional jet fuel, but by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. At the heart of ZeroAvia's innovation is the development of Hydrogen Airport Refueling Ecosystems, HARE. These ecosystems are more than just fuel stations, they represent a paradigm shift in aviation refueling. With installations already at 2 airports, ZeroAvia is demonstrating the practicality and efficiency of hydrogen refueling in real-world settings. This initiative is pivotal, as it lays the groundwork for widespread adoption of hydrogen fuel across the aviation sector. The company's approach is tailored for adaptability and scalability, particularly beneficial for smaller airports. Their plug-and-play model seamlessly connects last-mile delivery to off-site hydrogen production, thereby minimizing infrastructure investment. This innovative strategy is complemented by partnerships with leading energy firms like Shell and ZeroAvia, ensuring a consistent supply of low-carbon hydrogen. ZeroAvia's commitment to innovation extends to the development of mobile refueling vehicles. These vehicles are designed to cater to various airport contexts, showcasing their focus on creating flexible and adaptable solutions for different operational needs. This commitment to versatility and adaptability underscores ZeroAvia's understanding of the diverse requirements of airports worldwide. A groundbreaking achievement by ZeroAvia is the world's first hydrogen airside to landside pipeline at Cotswold Airport. This feat is not just a technical achievement but a symbol of the tangible steps being taken towards a hydrogen-powered aviation future. It demonstrates the feasibility and safety of hydrogen distribution within an airport environment, setting a precedent for airports globally. Looking towards the future, ZeroAvia recognizes the importance of liquid hydrogen fuel for larger aircraft. They are actively engaged in research and development projects to demonstrate LH2 refueling operations. These efforts are crucial, as they address one of the significant challenges in scaling hydrogen fuel technology, its application in larger, commercial-scale aircraft. ZeroAvia's work is a beacon of hope and innovation, illustrating that a cleaner, more sustainable future in aviation is not just a possibility but an imminent reality. With each step forward, they are reshaping the landscape of aviation, paving the way for a future where the skies are no longer tainted by the carbon footprint of conventional jet fuel. HyPoint, revolutionizing eVTOLs with advanced hydrogen fuel cells. HyPoint is charting a new course in the realm of aeronautics with its trailblazing hydrogen fuel cell systems, particularly targeting the burgeoning sector of electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, vehicles. This focus is driven by the growing recognition of the crucial role hydrogen fuel cells can play in powering these innovative modes of transportation. In a landmark partnership with Piasecki Aircraft Corporation, HyPoint is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in eVTOL technology. The collaboration revolves around developing a certified hydrogen fuel cell system that promises to elevate the capabilities of eVTOLs significantly. This system is not just an incremental improvement over existing technologies but a leap forward, offering a glimpse into the future of aerial transportation. HyPoint's hydrogen system stands out for its exceptional performance characteristics. It boasts an energy density 4 times higher than that of current lithium-ion batteries and delivers twice the power of existing hydrogen systems. This enhanced performance translates into longer flight ranges and higher efficiencies, addressing 2 of the most significant challenges facing eVTOLs today. The cost efficiency of HyPoint's system is equally impressive. By cutting direct operating costs for turbine-powered rotorcraft in half, they are making the economics of hydrogen-powered flight more viable than ever. This aspect is crucial for the widespread adoption of eVTOLs, making them not only an environmentally friendly option but also a financially accessible one. HyPoint's achievements have not gone unnoticed. Their innovative fuel cell system has been recognized by NASA's iTech initiative, highlighting its potential impact on the aviation industry. Additionally, their collaboration with the U.S. Air Force, through the AFWERX STTR/SPR program, is a testament to the strategic importance and groundbreaking nature of their technology. Looking ahead, HyPoint plans to develop full-scale systems for the PA-890 eVTOL, with a timeline set for order deliveries beginning by 2025. This ambitious timeline reflects their commitment to bringing their revolutionary technology to market swiftly, catalyzing a new era in eVTOL transportation. HyPoint's work is much more than technological innovation. It's a vision of a future where air travel is not only more efficient and cost-effective but also environmentally responsible. Their hydrogen fuel cell systems are poised to play a pivotal role in the eVTOL market, offering a cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable alternative to traditional aviation fuels. ABB, leading hydrogen innovation in maritime transport. ABB, an international engineering and sustainability giant, is making waves in the maritime. ABB, leading hydrogen innovation in maritime transport. ABB, an international engineering and sustainability giant, is making waves in the maritime industry with its hydrogen fuel cell propulsion systems. Their initiative addresses a critical global challenge: the substantial carbon footprint of ocean-going ships. With maritime transportation contributing nearly 3% of annual carbon dioxide emissions, a figure projected to rise significantly in the coming decades, ABB's work is not just innovative, it's essential. In a recent announcement, ABB revealed its collaboration with the Samskip Group, a Netherlands-based multimodal shipping company, and Cochin Shipyard in India, to build two groundbreaking container ships. These vessels, each equipped with a 3.2 MW ABB hydrogen fuel cell system, are set to be the first of their kind, leveraging comprehensive hydrogen fuel cell power distribution systems for their operations. The construction of these 135-meter-long container ships at Cochin Shipyard Limited, India's largest shipbuilding and maintenance facility, marks a significant milestone in maritime history. These ships, slated for delivery in the third and fourth quarters of 2025, will operate between Oslo Fjord and Rotterdam, covering a distance of approximately 700 nautical miles. This operation will serve as a real-world demonstration of the viability and effectiveness of hydrogen fuel cell technology in large-scale maritime transport. ABB's holistic approach extends beyond the integration of hydrogen fuel cells. Their package includes a new, more compact version of the onboard DC grid power distribution system, ensuring optimal energy use onboard. Additionally, the vessels will feature ABB's state-of-the-art energy storage solution control and automation technology. These innovations not only enhance the efficiency of the vessels but also underscore ABB's commitment to comprehensive, sustainable maritime solutions. Moreover, ABB's Ability remote diagnostic systems will provide 24/7 remote support, optimizing safety and performance. This technological integration reflects a deep understanding of the complex needs of modern maritime operations, where reliability and continuous operation are paramount. Hydrogen fuel cell technology, as implemented by ABB, offers a transformative solution for the shipping industry's decarbonization agenda. By turning hydrogen's chemical energy into electricity through an electrochemical reaction, and with the potential for renewables to produce this hydrogen, the entire energy chain becomes clean and sustainable. Each ship is expected to eliminate 25,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually, a significant contribution to reducing the environmental impact of maritime transport. This achievement is not just a step forward for ABB, it's a leap towards a future where the vast oceans are traversed by ships that leave no carbon trail in their wake. ABB's pioneering work in hydrogen fuel cell propulsion systems is a shining example of how innovative technology can be harnessed to address some of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. Their efforts are paving the way for a new era in maritime transport, where sustainability, efficiency, and innovation sail hand in hand, charting a sustainable future in transportation. The groundbreaking efforts of ZeroAvia, HyPoint, and ABB in harnessing hydrogen fuel cell technology illustrate a pivotal shift in our approach to transportation. These companies are not just innovating for the sake of technology, they are redefining the paradigms of travel and logistics, steering the world towards a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future. ZeroAvia's advancements in aviation highlight the potential of hydrogen as a viable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional jet fuels. Their initiatives, ranging from developing hydrogen refueling ecosystems to pioneering pipeline distribution systems, are laying the groundwork for a future where air travel significantly reduces its environmental footprint. HyPoint's focus on eVTOLs, powered by their revolutionary hydrogen fuel cells, is set to transform urban mobility. By offering a solution that combines high energy efficiency with environmental sustainability, they are opening new horizons for urban transportation, reducing both carbon emissions and operational costs. ABB's venture into hydrogen-fueled shipping is a testament to the potential of hydrogen fuel cells in transforming maritime transport. Their commitment to building the first hydrogen-powered container ships is a bold step towards decarbonizing one of the world's most significant sources of greenhouse gas emissions. Together, these companies are not just participants in the green revolution, they are its driving forces. Their work goes beyond technological achievements, symbolizing hope and action in the fight against climate change. They are setting new standards for industries worldwide, proving that sustainable solutions can align with economic and operational viability. As we conclude, it's clear that the journey towards a greener future is well underway, with trailblazers like ZeroAvia, HyPoint, and ABB leading the charge. Their endeavors inspire and challenge us to think differently about how we move, how we transport goods, and how we can contribute to a more sustainable world. This episode on reneenergy.com has not just been about the marvels of technology, it's been a glimpse into a future where every journey we take, whether by air or sea, is a step towards a cleaner, greener planet. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of renewable energy and its champions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning into the reneenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.